बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हमारा केमिस्ट्री में पहला चैप्टर है इंट्रोडक्शन टू केमिस्ट्री। इसमें जिस तरह बोर्ड में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू बोर्ड एग्ज़ामिनेशन, उसी तरह हमने इसको कोशिश की है कि आप इसको स्टडी भी करें और लर्निंग भी करें। ठीक है, तो इसके ऊपर फर्स्ट चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इस तरह है, What is chemistry or define chemistry? Write down 4 names of its branches. Now answer. Definition, जैसा आप देख रहे हैं definition, first part of the question is definition. Definition: chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the properties, composition and structure of matter. Full stop. Chemistry also deals with the changes involved in the matter. It's also deal with the principles governing the changes which matter may undergo. Now second part of the question, branches of chemistry. हेडिंग डालेंगे branches of chemistry. There are various branches of chemistry. The main branches of chemistry are number 1, physical chemistry; number 2, organic chemistry; number 3, inorganic chemistry; number 4, analytical chemistry; number 5, nuclear chemistry; number 6, industrial and applied chemistry. This is our first question is completed. Now second question, contribution of modern period scientist and Muslim period. Muslim period, number 1, name of scientist is Jabir bin Hayyan. He was generally known as father of alchemy. He invented experimental method for the preparation of nitric acid, hydrochloric acid and white lead. He also developed method for the extraction of metals from their ores and dyeing clothes. Name of second Muslim scientist is Al-Razi. Number 1, he was a physician, alchemist and a philosopher. He was an expert surgeon and was the first to use opium as an anesthesia. He divided the substances into living and non-living organs. Al-Razi prepared ethyl alcohol by the fermentation process. Now third Muslim scientist is Al-Biruni. He contributed a lot in physics, metaphysics, mathematics, geography and history. He determined the densities of different substances. Fourth name of the Muslim scientist is Ibn Sina. He was famous his contribution in the field of medicine, medical chemistry, mathematics and astronomy. That's all. This is our Muslim period. Now next topic is the modern period. Now, name of the modern scientist is Robert Boyle. He described Robert Boyle as the father of modern chemistry. He is known as father of modern chemistry. Number 2, J. Black. Medicine. He made a study of carbon dioxide. J. Pursley. He discovered oxygen, sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride. Shelley. He discovered chlorine. Now, name of scientist is Cavendish. He discovered hydrogen. Now next, Lavoisier. He discovered the oxygen constituted about 1/5 of air. Now next scientist in modern period is John Dalton. He made a great stride in chemistry with his atomic theory of matter. The idea of atoms and molecules became the established fact, and the concept of atomic weight was also given by John Dalton. Now next scientist is J. Berzelius. He introduced the idea of symbols, formulae and chemical equation to make the study more systematic. Now next name of scientist is Mendeleev. He discovered the periodic arrangement of the elements. Next is Arrhenius. He was put forward concept of acids and bases. Faraday. He was put forward laws of electrolysis. Next is J. Thomson. He discovered the charge of electron. H.B. Curiel. He worked on pitch black uranium. Madame Curie. She also worked on radioactivity. Neil Bohr. He worked on structure of an atom. E. Rutherford. He discovered the nucleus within the atom. That's all for this topic. That's all.